There are several different ways in which you can contact a vendor, and today I'll go through a few of those options with you. So say you are on a product page, kind of like this one in front of me over here, and you want to reach out to a seller to find out more information, to see if you might be able to pick it up on a different day, or to see if they can offer a few more than they've listed. There's several ways on this direct product page that you can reach out to the seller. The first one is here next to the Add to Cart button, which is a chat now feature. Not all sellers will have this option activated, but some will, and this will allow you to chat with them in real time through Facebook Messenger. So if I select this button here, you'll notice that a little pop-up will open up. So you can either log into Messenger or continue as guest. I would suggest logging into Messenger. That way, if the seller responds, say 2 or 3 minutes later after you've departed the website, you'll still get the message on your Messenger. So that's a really handy way that you can speak with them directly and get a response quite quickly. So there's those two options over there, and I'll close that one now. The other way is through this little ticket over here which says Get Support. So what I can do is I can click on this and I can add in a subject. You can select whether it's related to an order that you currently have, or you can leave that blank, and you can write in your message and then submit. So if you do choose this option over here, what will happen will be on your dashboard. So I'll show you how to create this in the next tutorial, but you have your own dashboard which kind of looks like this. On your dashboard, if you go to Seller Support Tickets, your ticket will actually pop up over here. So you'll have open communication between you and the seller throughout your entire purchase process. So from before you even make the order until you've received the order. So you can do that as well. I'll head back to the product page now. So there's those two options. The third way is to head to the product inquiry form. So this one over here won't go to Messenger, it won't go to your dashboard. What it will do, it will send an inquiry directly to the vendor's email and they will respond to you through your email. But I will note, if you are going to use this feature, you have to be already logged in. So that way they will know your email address to respond. Right, so there's these three ways directly on the product page. Further to that, if you head back to the vendors page, so we're going to click on that, you can still chat with them, you can still get support, so those two buttons still exist, or you now have a new option where you can contact them from the left-hand menu. Again, your email over here will pop up and your name, so that way they can respond to you. Alternatively, we have provided some of their contact information. So what you can do is you can give them a call directly if their store is open, if it's within their hours, and you can find out more information directly from them. So those are a few ways in which you can contact a seller. I mean, we have provided quite a few, but if you are having trouble contacting a seller, you can always let us know, and we will help out on your behalf.